Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix your old Android phone. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go here on our notification panel and then go to settings. Now, in this part, what we want to do first is to make sure that our software version is set to the latest version. So just go here on the software update and then click on download and install. After that, once you see an install button, make sure that you install it so that your phone will now be on the latest version. Now, once it is done, what we're going to do next is to go back into this part and then click on About Phone. Now, scroll down and then look for software information. And then for the build number, we're going to tap it 5 times until you see the developer mode. And then once your developer mode has been turned on, just go back into this part and then click on developer options. Now, once you're now on the developers options, just look for the display section. So that would be the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So all you have to do is to turn all of their animation scale into 0.5. And then once you do all of that, what we're going to do next is to go to the top of our settings and then look for battery. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to turn on power savings. But before that, we're going to click on power saving right here. So in this part, we have different kinds of options once you open your power saving. Now, for the performance, you can limit the performance to 70% only. And then for the display, you can just decrease the brightness by 10%, and then so on and so forth. So once you turn it on, it will help your battery stay longer throughout the day. So once you click on turn on right there, you should be able to use your phone more longer compared when it is turned off. Now, you can also go here on the background usage limits. So just make sure that you turn on put unused app to sleeps so that the apps that you are not using will not much take space off your battery. Now, go back right here again, and then for the battery protection, just click on it and then make sure that it is set to maximum, and then you can choose either 80% to 95% so that whenever you charge your phone, the battery will stay longer than it is expected. Now, once you're done with that, the last thing that we can do, since we have an old phone and sometimes it shuts down, we want to make sure that our data is backed up. So just look for accounts and backup right here. So click on it. And then in this part, you can either back up your data through Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Now, let's say, for example, that you want to use Google Drive. So just click backup data. And then in this part, make sure that you turn it on. And then your photos and videos, including other device data, will be backed up in case your phone dies. So once you do all of that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.